So my name is Lakeisha Tomlin, and I buy and sell companies, mostly in the stock market. And sometimes I'm also looking at other markets like the Forex market, which is basically currencies. I also look at commodities, which you could think of as gold or oil, but I mostly focus on gold. So I help new day traders be able to enter the market with ease and with certainty. So I've been doing this for about almost 3 years, and then actually showing people about the past year. So it's been really interesting so far just to be able to see people make progress and be able to have a concrete game plan when they go to the markets and when they're trying to do this thing for themselves. So before joining AA, I had taken a couple of different courses and joined some programs that did teach about business because at that time I was very new to business and just learning the landscape and not really realizing that I had to wear all these different hats in order to get the business off the ground. So I had some things in place, but I was really missing that consistent money piece, or at least how to take my social media following, how to use YouTube and actually make money from it. So I was definitely missing that piece, and that was one of the biggest things that drove me to actually signing up to AA and learning all of those components, so that way I could start making money from my social media. So after joining AA, not only did I have a nice framework for getting clients from YouTube, building my YouTube, and then of course monetizing all of that traffic and the people that were curious about the products and services that I offer inside of my business, it also helped me to find a consistent way to generate revenue inside of my company. So I will say inside of my company, I did take a couple of breaks, more for like personal reasons and all of that. But once I came back, I knew pretty much where to start, and YouTube was the place to start. And inside of AA, you get frameworks in order to be able to grow the YouTube. And obviously, as you grow YouTube, that gives you more exposure to potential customers. So that was the place where I started when I came back to grow my business. And now it's more of interacting with those potential customers. And actually, just this week, I closed another client. So that's pretty cool because I'm starting a boot camp, or a boot camp that I have is starting next month. So I have someone enrolled in that, and then some other people who are also interested in the boot camp and looking to sign up as well. So it's really exciting. So one of the biggest tangible things that I gained by joining AA was essentially just being able to find a way to consistently get clients. I think for me, that was the biggest thing because I didn't really know where to start. Obviously, there's a lot of information online, and trying to piece it together. Like I mentioned before, I did join some programs and I learned some things from those programs, but it wasn't really showing me how to monetize my social media. So from that, I've actually made, my investment in AA multiple times over, which is amazing. And then also built up a network of people from AA and was able to learn from some of those people as well. So it's just so many different benefits that I could talk about, but those are the key things for me. So if someone is considering joining AA, the thing I would say is just make that investment in yourself. Of course, you can look at Google and YouTube and all these other different resources to try to piece the information together. But I found that, through my own experience, that is the most inefficient way to become successful. You become successful by making the investment in yourself and then also taking that time in order to actually learn the concepts and then apply them. And then the cool thing about the AA community is that you can ask questions, and then you can also be able to get answers from not just the community admins, but also the community themselves, because they're also in different businesses and they have different experiences, also at different levels. So basically, you're getting inputs from all different sides, and it's all for your benefit. So I would say make the investment in yourself and go ahead and do it.